Hey guys, this is a random video. I just broke down in tears because I was getting ready to do my hair tonight and I had my hair in a high puff, and when I actually took my hair tie off, I just noticed how thick and full my hair is. And I just remembered, like, looking at it, I'm like, it took a whole lifetime for me to figure how to take care of my hair. Literally, it took me a whole lifetime to figure out how to take care of my hair and style my hair. And I just got emotional because I'm like, the way things are in the world, and it's like we don't have much time left. And God restored all of my hair back. My hair has never been this thick, this full, this long. It just feels luscious. And I just thought of restoration, that God, He restores everything. Everything that you lost, anything that you've lost in your life, like He restores it. And I just got emotional because to me this is just a sign of how He speaks, and of restoring. And it just feels so healthy and so strong and I remember when I had lost my hair, that's what I had prayed. Every time I would wash my hair, I would pray for my hair to be thick, long, healthy, and strong. Those were my words every time I would wash my hair: thick, long, healthy, and strong. And this is exactly what I have: thick, long, healthy, and strong. So I just wanted to leave you with that encouragement that, this is something as simple as hair. God is faithful with the little things. He said that He knows every hair on your head. Your hair is numbered. Every strand. Can you imagine that? Every strand. Look how thin that strand is. And it's all numbered. He knows every number of strands on your head. That is just amazing to me. So I just wanted to leave you with that. I'm about to head to bed. And I don't know, I wasn't expecting that when I took my headband out and saw how full. I guess I have been paying attention, but when I make my videos, I'm just styling my hair, and I just go about my business. So I've never really noticed. I don't know, it just hit me tonight. It just hit me strong tonight. So random video. Hope y'all are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, I'm just popping back on. I finished my hair, and I just wanted to show you because I don't really do videos of my twist when I'm actually twisting my hair at night. So I just want to show you my bedtime style. Not really a style, but this is how it looks when it's done. And I just wanted to show you how plump, look how plump my hair looks when it's freshly twisted. I just got emotional when I took out that hair tie. I wasn't expecting my hair to feel. I could actually feel the volume and how plush it was. And I just broke out in tears because I remember when my hair was actually coming out from the vitamin deficiency, that I knew that the Lord was going to restore my hair. And he said He was going to make it full and thick and healthy. So I think that's the reason why I got so emotional. But this is what I used on my hair. tonight. Coconut Mani. And this is actually water mixed with, it's a hair spritzer. I'm not exactly sure which one. A hair refresher. I'm not sure. I know it's not Shea Moisture's Coconut Hibiscus because this is a really old bottle. But it may be the Coconut Mani. I'm not sure. I can't really say, so I'm not going to say. All I know is it's a mixture of refresher and water. And then I did wind up using the almond and avocado overnight recovery treatment. I know I said I wasn't going to use this in one of my videos. I'm not sure which one I'm going to post first, but I made that video today, so I think it's funny that I said that in the video, that I'm not sure when I was going to use this, but I wound up using it tonight. So that's pretty much it. And y'all have a great night, and we will chat later. Bye bye. Peace.